has the rainy season officially started here in Florida. So we got rain this morning. We haven't had rain in weeks. Thankful. Sun's out. So what I did in the rain before it got hot was start cleaning up this area over here. Still don't know what I'm going to turn this area over here into, but we already have stuff planted. We have the Thai lime, um, the mountain soursop. We got some pineapples, some, y'all, I can't remember what these are. I don't know if these are Afro-moms or cardamom, but that's what's planted there. That is dwarf Hawaiian star fruit, and this one is Kerry star fruit. These are supposed to be the two sweetest.